Paan Ladoo is a delightful Indian sweet that combines the refreshing taste of betel leaves with the richness of coconut and condensed milk, infused with aromatic cardamom, Gulkand and crunchy nuts. These laddoos offer a unique fusion of flavours: sweet, floral and slightly earthy, soft and melt in the mouth. These laddoos are perfect for festive occasions, celebrations, or as an after-meal treat. Rolled in desiccated coconut, they not only taste amazing, but also look elegant. The refreshing pan flavour makes them a great alternative to traditional sweets, and their no-fuss preparation makes them easy to make at home. Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for You presents Paan Ladoo. To make pan puree, take 2 to 3 wash and clean betel leaves. Make sure to remove the pan stem. Add into small blender jar. Tear the pan leaves. Add into small blender jar. Add 1/3 cup condensed milk. ¼ teaspoon green cardamom powder. Pinch of fennel powder. Add some green gel food colour. Grind them into puree. For stuffing, take 2 tablespoons rose petal jam. Add Gulkand in a bowl. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons chopped nuts mix like almonds, cashews and pistachios. 1 tablespoon mukwas. Add 4 to 5 chopped glassy cherries or tutti frutti. Pour some pan puree in it. Mix it well. Our stuffing is ready. Keep it aside, we will use it later. Let's make the coconut laddu mixture. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon pure ghee. Let it melt. Add 1 cup of desiccated coconut. Heat a pan on low flame and dry roast coconut. for 1 to 2 minutes until fragrant. Pour green paan puree over it. Stir in the roasted coconut and mix well. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Cook on low heat until everything combines. Take it off the heat, remove it in a bowl. And let the mixture cool slightly. Grease your palms with a little ghee. It's time to shape the laddus. Take a small portion of the mixture. Flatten it. Add the dry fruits, Gulkand filling, seal the edges. Shape it into ball. Remove in a dish. Again, take some mixture, flatten it. Put some stuffing. Make ball as shown. Flatten it. Stuff in laddus. Make balls. Repeat for the remaining mixture to make more. Flatten it. Stuffing. Roll it into a ball. All laddus are ready for final coating. Take some desiccated coconut in a bowl. Roll the laddus in extra desiccated coconut for a beautiful finish. Remove in a dish. Coat with desiccated coconut. Repeat the same procedure for all. Insert cherry toothpick in each laddu to look more appealing. Sprinkle some candied sugar fennel. It's totally optional. Let them set for 15 to 20 minutes. Your delicious Paan Laddoos are ready. Store them in an airtight container and enjoy. Let me show you another one. Enjoy these Paan Laddoos as a traditional yet innovative sweet that brings together the best of Indian flavours in one bite. Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback with us. See you in the next one. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.